Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli mbukela inazi ezinohlonze emininjeni.
Bail granted in respect of accused 1 in 3 in the amount of 50,000 rand.
Sebededelwe ngebheyili inkulungwane ezingama-50 zamarandi umuntu ngamunye owayengumphathi kumasipala waseGruleni u-Imogen Mashazi kanye nenhloko yezisebenzi esamisiwe esikhundleni emkhandlwini uLinda Xasheka.
Still dealing with the remainder from about 29 of these municipalities. They are the first fortunate one who will get their money by next week Thursday.
Ungqongqoshe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana uthi abanye omasipala bagodlwele imali yabo bazoyithola ngesonto elizayo ngemva kokuhlangabezana nezimfuno zikamgcini mafa.
The purpose of this statement is to inform the Commission of a matter regarding events in 2018 reported to Captain McLean and me in 2022 involving Advocate Andrea Johnson and Major General Khan.
Umphenyi wama-Hawks osathatha umhlalaphansi uKenneth Kobus Relefse ungomunye kwabethula kobufakazi namhlanje phambi kwesithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga. Kanti umasipala wezemidlalo bengumqeqeshi wabafana Hugo Bruce sezibeke phansi izintambo njengomqeqeshi weqembu lesizwe ngemva kweminyaka emihlanu ecija iqembu. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela izindaba enikeze ohora lokuqala izingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke zihamba phambili ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke naku-SABC le high igama lami nginguDawud Phungula mbukela ke singene kuzo ezihamba phambili emininjeni. Sebededelwe ngebheyili yeinkulungwane ezingama-50 zamarandi umuntu ngamunye owayengumphathi kumasipala waseGruleni u-Imogen Mashazi kanye nenhloko yezisebenzi esamisiwe esikhundleni emkhandlwini uLinda Xasheka. Abazange bagunyazwe ibheyili izolo ngenxa yokuthi bebehlinzeke inkantolo ngamakhelabo angaphezulu kwamabili alapho behlala khona.
Umbuso ke ubungenazo izinhloso zokuphikisa isicelo sebheyili salowo wayengumphathi kumasipala eGruleni u-Imogen Mashazi kanye nenhloko yezisebenzi esamisiwe uLinda Xasheka.
Bishop, we have covered a lot of grounds. We are now fine.
What is the situation? What is the stance of the state?
We are not opposing the situation.
Abameli babo bafunde izitatimende ezifungelwe zesicelo sebheyili besho ukuthi bazoyilandela imibandela yebheyili ngisho namaphepha abagunyaza kuba baye kwamanye amazwe bazowahlinzeka inkantolo. Imanje ke ibe isikhipha isinqumo sesicelo sebheyili.
This is postponed to the 28th of August for further investigation. Bail granted in respect of accused 1 in 3 in the amount of 50,000 rand. And on the following conditions. The first condition, accused 1 in 3, and in respect of accused 3, if she is in possession of covered documents, to surrender same to the investigating officer before close of business today. Condition 2, accused 1 in 3 not to leave the country without the written permission of the investigating officer.
Imanje ithe uma behluleka ukulandela imibandela yebheyili bazogcinwa esitokisini kuze kube lolu daba luyaphuthulwa. Icala labo ke lihlehliselwe mhla zingama-29 kuNcwaba nalapho kulindeleke ukuthi leli cala lidluliselwe kwenye inkantolo.
Umphenyi wama-Hawks osathatha umhlalaphansi uKenneth Kobus Relefse ungomunye wabethula kubufakazi namhlanje phambi kwesithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga. Ubufakazi bakhe begxile kuloko kwenzeka ngo-2018 lapho ama-Hawks ayephenya khona ngokwakwenzeka ophikweni lwezomhloli.
I was a member of the South African Police Service, SAPS, with the rank of Colonel attached to the Directorate of Priority Crime Investigations, commonly known as the TPCI.
uKenneth Kobus Relefse osebenze kakhulu nabakwaZidlodlo nosathatha umhlalaphansi ngomunye wabethula ubufakazi kwekaMadlanga namhlanje.
Paragraph 3 of my statement, the purpose of this statement is to inform the Commission of a matter regarding events in 2018 reported to Captain McLean and me in 2022 involving Advocate Andrea Johnson and Major General Khan, Feroz Khan.
Ukapteni Mark McLean uyena obese landela nokwethula ubufakazi.
I am a member of the South African Police Services with the rank of a captain attached to the Directorate of Priority Crimes Investigation, also known as the Hawks. In May of 2020, I was part of a team placed at the Investigating Directorate, the ID, of the National Prosecuting Authority, also commonly known as IDAC, as part of a duty arrangement between IDAC and the DPCI.
Namhlanje usuku lwekhulu namashumi amathathu nesikhombisa sihlezi lesithangami.
Ungqongqoshe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana uthi abanye omasipala abagodlelwe imali yabo bazoyithola ngesonto elizayo ngemva kokuhlangabezana nezimfuno zikamgcini mafa kuzwelonke.
We are required to take steps and decisive action to safeguard public money while maintaining service delivery. We've got to do both.
Njengoba umnyango ugodle imali yabanye omasipala, ungqongqoshe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana uthi bayaqhubeka ukusebenzisana nabo ukuthola izixazululo.
We are working with all of these municipalities and we have made progress. A number of them have responded. We have been able to get satisfactory answers by now. We're still dealing with the remainder from about 29 of these municipalities. They are the first fortunate one who will get their money by next week, Thursday.
Mayelana nomkhandlu dolobha iGoli, uGodongwana uthi udaba lwezibopho zemali yalo masipala aliqali manje futhi kunezindlela zokubhekana nalo.
That agreement date back to about 2016 or 2015. That's how old it is. Well, the only thing that is done recently was to re-evaluate what has not yet been paid. And therefore, there are clauses which allow the municipality to be able to deal with that issue in the event that it can't afford in a specific financial year. So it's not that it's going to be forced to pay 10 billion rand this year.
Uqhube wathi ukubambisana phakathi kahulumeni nomasipala kumqoka ukuqinisekisa ukuphathwa ngendlela efanele kwemali yabakhokhintela.
Kanti kusenjalo ikomiti elibhekele umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana ePhalamende lihambele kumasipala waseMpendle KwaZulu-Natal ongeminye kulabo abayisikhombisa esifundazweni abagodlelwe kwisibonelelo semali yawo ngehhovisi lomgcini mafa ngenxa yokwehluleka kwabo ukusingatha isimo sezemali. Njengamanje sixhumana ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uMlondi Radebe oseMpendle. Mlondi, asikubingelele sokwamukela izindaba lezi zasemini, sicela nje usilandise nje kafushane ngokuhambela kwekomiti lasePhalamende kumasipala eMpendle.
Asibingelele Dawudi, sibingelele kumlaleli. Ikomiti livakashele umasipala waseMpendle namhlanje nolapho esazi khona ukuthi kunezinkinga eziningi lapha kulo masipala, njengoba sazi ukuthi abasebenzi kulo masipala bese bephelelwe inyanga ezintathu bengakhokheliwe imali yawo, kanti nalabo abanikeza umasipala umsebenzi noma benzela umasipala umsebenzi osomabhizinisi bendawo bakhala ngokufanayo ukuthi umasipala awubakhokhelile. Kanti njengamanje umnyango wesifundazweni saKwaZulu-Natal wezokubusa kubambisana ubusujube administrator ukuze akwazi ukuthi ke abheke ukuthi ke kwenzakalani kumasipala waseMpendle, kanti ukuvakashela kwekomiti lasePhalamende namhlanje nako kuthathwa njengegxathu eliyaphambili ekwenzeni ukuthi ke kuzoqinisekisa ukuthi kube khona ukubambisana nozinzo kulo masipala. Kanti sokhulumela abasebenzi lapha ekhona lapha kumasipala waseMpendle, uMzwandile wakhona lapha kwaZuma, sizwe kabanzi ngodaba oluthinta abasebenzi babuzuma. Siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi kafushane nje ngodaba labasebenzi ukuthi abasebenzi baphila kanjani uma bese kuphele inyanga ezintathu bengaholile.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mlondi. Kunzima kakhulu ukuphila njenganabasebenzi baseMpendle. Noma singeke siqaqule ukuthi ke njengamanje abasebenzi noma umsebenzi nomuntu sebenze ekhaya lakhe uphila kanjani, kodwa isimo siyisimo esibi kakhulu nesibucayi kahle uma ungayibeka ngokujulile ukuthi isimo nje sabasebenzi baseMpendle sibucayi kakhulu. inyanga zo3 eseziphelile zingasengaholile lesikuyona manje uJuly inyanga yesine so sinzima kakhulu isimo sinawo kamathemba noma esehamba buyafuna ukufadabala ukuthi ke umnyango wezokubusa nokubambisana kaCocta ngaphansi kobuholi ba MEC ubaba uButhelezi balethe umlawuli empendle ngenyanga yokuphela kwenyanga kaMeyi kodwa njengamanje mawubuka kusase elike kona kodwa izimo ngendlela ezenzeka ngayo ngoba kubukeka iintervention ebesithi silindele neyokuthi kuzongena imali ingangeni ngesikhathi from uTreasurer so kuyalimaza kakhulu uthi uvela ulimele uphinde ulimazeke kakhulu futhi isimo esinye siqhamukayo on time to time so isimo sabasebenzi sibi kakhulu na njengamanje ngoba ukulimala kokungafiki komhlomulo noma komholo womsebenzi akulimazi yena kuphela kodwa kulimaza abantu abaningi abancike kuleyo salary yakhe ngoba ngokwenature abantu siphila nemndeni emkhulu siphila nemndeni so kunezidingo zonke ezingasakwazi ukuthi ke zaneliseke so isimo njengamanje ngoba akuwona ama salaries kuphela nezidingo zonke ezinye ezilimalayo ama pension fund the third parties ezilimalayo abasebenzi balinakalelwe nama policies abakade benawo so muningi umonakalo owenzekile njengamanje isimo si abnormal kakhulu besinaloku ithemba ukuthi ke namhlanje ekseni bekufike ikomiti li select committee eliholwa wabukhawunda elisebenzisana neScope ukuthi ke bazobheka noma bazothola inhlaka zomphakathi ukuthi ke kuthekani sibona kanjani njengoba kufakwe umlawuli kodwa ke kuzona zonke izinto esizikhulumile sifisa ukuthi ke siyakuzwa okunye okukhulunywayo nokunye okwenziwayo kodwa sifisa ukuthi ngathi kungashesha kube ne special intervention ukuthi ke kufakwe imali ethe ukuthi xaxa kulesimo samanje bese kuba ke nenhlelo ezithathwayo ukuthi ke njengamanje kufanele nje wababethi kufanele kwenziwe ama investigations so kufanele ukuthi ke enziwe ama investigation kuthathwe izinyathelo ezizothathwa kodwa sikwazi ukulinda zonke lezo nhlelo abasebenzi belambile isimo sibucayi kakhulu
Sibonga kakhulu baba isikhathi sakho. Asibuyisele izintambo ngakuwe studio Dawudi njengoba echaza ubaba uZuma ukuthi ke isimo sibi kakhulu kulomasipala ikakhulukazi abasebenzi njengoba bengakhokheliwe bafisa kube khona uhlelo oluzokwenza ukuthi nabo bagcine bekwazela ukukhokhelwa. Asibuyisele izintambo ngakuwe studio.
Sibonga kakhulu mbukelo wena ke uMlondi Rhade besibela bukhoma esempendle esifundazweni eKwaZulu Natal. Mbukelo kwamanje sisathe qhu 8 kanti ke sizobuya ke nezinye izindaba zosuku ngemva kwekhefu ngayindawo. Mbukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo sicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzosithola ngomjalo bazo. Imeya yomkhandlu idolobha iGoli uTata Morero uthi ke idolobha liphuma umkhankaso okukhucula lonke amanikinika lenga edolobheni kanti ke nalabo abadayisa izimpahla ezindaweni ezingalungile bazosuswa. Le meya ke yomkhandlu ithi nezigameko zobugebengu zizoncipha kwazisa ke nalezi ndawo abantu abekadeke bethi mbokuzona bezothenga izimpahla zizovalwa.
It's part of our ongoing bylaw enforcement campaign, cleaning the city, ensuring that there's compliance to the bylaws. So we're basically continuing with our project. Well, you saw it was one individual who said she has applied. So the team took all details to find out what has happened. You saw those that have been approved, they were allocated, but they moved from an allocated site to an illegal site. It's a question of misbehavior and misconduct on the side of those that are trading, because they have to comply to the bylaws, because we have given them space, we've allocated them, we've given them their smart card, but still they went to trade in a place that is not designated for trading. So that is why we must constantly be on the ground to ensure that compliance with the bylaw is observed.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa ukwelase France ohambeni lweinsuku ezintathu oluzogxila kakhulu kwezemfundo nokuqinisa ubudlelwane phakathi kwamazwe omabili. Lolu hambo luza ngemva kokuqoka kwaloyo wayengungqongqoshe wezokuvikelwa kwezwe u-Ayanda Dlodlo njengenxusa lakuleli elizozinza eFrance. Kulindele ukuthi umengameli uRamaphosa aphinde ahlangane ne-UNESCO, umengameli waseFrance u-Emmanuel Macron kanye nezikhulu zikahulumeni. Uhambo lwakhe luqale ekomkhulu le-UNESCO eParis lapho ebambe khona iqhaza esithangamini somhlangano obubhunga ngenqubekela phambili yoguquko kwezemfundo.
We encourage member states of this committee to maintain strong alignment between the education priorities and advanced through the G20 and the work of the HLSC. Let us leave Paris today with the resolve to turn the decisions of this committee into the daily reality of every learner. The generation of today and the generations of the future are counting on us to build, as well as to deliver, an education system that is worthy of their promise.
Inkantolo yesifunda kuGompo City sithole ukuthi kwaba nobudedengu obukhulu obenzeka ngesikhathi sesibhicongo sokushona kwentsha engama-21 eyabhubha endaweni yokucima ukoma eNyobeni eminyakeni emine eyedlule. Njengamanje sixhumana nentatheli ye-SABC Abongile Yankisi ukusilandisa kafushane ngokwenzeke enkantolo namhlanje. Abongile, asikubingelele sikwamukele izindaba zasemini. Ngabe kupho kuvelile ngesinqumo ebesibhekwe kakhulu malungana nalo lolu daba?
Inkundla ifumanisa ukubana abanini bendawo yentselo eNyobeni ingakumbi umnini wayo uVuyokazi Ndevu kunye nowakwakhe onobe ngumanager waphayana usiyakhangela kubana noko bafunyanise kubana noko bebekunakho kungakhathali kulo mcimbi, ingakumbi namapolisa angabemane qoqe buyelela phayana nabo bafunisa ubana banetyala kolongakhathali kulo mcimbi kunye nebhodi ethengisa utywala ejongene nentengiso yotywala ubana noko nabo bafunyanise ubana noko irecommende ubana noko mabafumane ilanto kubana bakwazi ukutshutshisa noko inkundla ejongene nokutshutshisa batshajwe ubana lo mcimbi baphetheyo noko ngumcimbi onganyanisekanga ngakwinkundla ecinga ubana noko kusakufuneka kuphononongwe even more, hence kuthiwa ubana bakuphumele recommendation ubana mabatshajwe le ulanduka bajongane nengalo yomthetho mayelana lo mcimbi. Just shortly naye othethela ibhodi yentengiso yotywala uDr. Mgwebu Msiya, tata kuthiwa neyibhodi yotywala nifumanisa ukubana noko benakho kungakhathali ngalo mcimbi ngakumbi ekubhubheni kwabantwana niphefumla nithini?
Masiqale nje ngokusho into yobana singu-Eastern Cape Liquor Board siziqaphele iziphumo zanamhlanje ze-inquest, sigqibeke ekubeni makhe sifumane ithuba sikhe siyoyifundisisa le report, sicombulule kakuhle emveni koko sikwazi ke ngoku into yobana sicacelwe into yoba masithini ubheka phambili. Okwangoku sawukhe sibe sithetha loo nto into yobana sicela nje ke sinikwe ithuba siyijonge iripoti sikwazi ke ngoku emva koko into yoba sijonge indlela ubheka phambili uba sithini singu-Eastern Cape Liquor Board.
Susela senzeke isiganeko saseNyobeni natshintsha njani ukwenza imisebenzi yenu ingakumbi ekunqandeni iziganeko ezikumila kanjeyana ingakumbi ekukhupheni ilayisenisi ubana kuthengisa utywala apha ephondweni?
Mandiqale ngokuthi nje okubalulekileyo into yoba enye into esiyenzileyo into yoba sihlaziye i-regulations zethu, imithethwana leyo yokuthengiswa kotywala. Besihleli kakade ke xa kusenzeka le nto sizama ukuvala izithuba ezithile emthethweni wethu. So siyahlaziya ke ngoku into esibiza ngoba zii-regulations zokulawula ukuthengiswa kotywala apha eMpuma Koloni. Sibe notshintsho elinintsi esilenzileyo ke phaa xa besihlaziya, umzekelo i-distance phakathi kwesikolo nendawo yokuthengisa sisuse ku-100 sayisa ku-500 meters. Umntu ngoku xa i-aplayishela i-license umzekelo funeka sinike i-certificate.
Siyabulela kakhulu Dr. Mgwebu Msiya, nophuma kwibhodi ejongene nentengiso yotywala apha ephondweni esithi bona basayiphonononga le ngxelo yenkundla namhlanje kwaye bazophefumla ngokwaneleyo xa besayifundisisile. Sithathe izindaba sizibuyisele kuni apho eGauteng.
Sibonga kakhulu yena ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC Abongile Yankisi esibikela bukhoma kuGompo City esifundazweni i-Eastern Cape. Ziyaqonga izinkinga ezibhekene nesihlabane somculo waseLimpopo olihlohonelo Chauke nodume likaShebe Mabhena njengoba kumbuso sewengeza amanye amacala. uMabhena useloke egqunyeke esitokisini kusukela ngonyaka wedlule ngeinsolo zamacala okuzama ukubulala.
uLehlohonolo Chauke odume ngelikaShebe Mabhena ubuyele enkantolo yesifunda yasePolokwane lapho icala lakhe liqhubeka khona ngaphambi kokuqulwa. Umbuso umemezele ukuthi uzokwengeza amadokodo amasha nokuzonyusa isibalo samacala abhekene nawo.
The state has recently reserved 2 new dockets concerning Mr. Lehlohonolo Chauke, the accused in this matter.
uChauke waboshwa ngoLwezi wangonyaka owedlule ngamacala amabili okuzama ukubulala kuthiwa amacala akhe angama-21 esewonke. Nokho ke abameli bathi abakulungele ukuqulwa kwecala emva kwamacala angeziwe amasha.
In relations to those, we regard them as proper counts for which the accused has to account in this court. In relation to those counts, we are ready to proceed with the pre-trial.
We do not want this court to do a trial in respect of a matter that has been finished in terms of the law. ADR, Alternative Dispute Resolution, is recognized in terms of once a case is closed in terms of that process, a trial should not follow.
Imantshi ivune ummeli wommangalelwa yathi ngabe abukho ubulungiswa uma enganikwa isikhathi esanele ukuzilungiselela kulamacala amasha aselethwe ngumbuso.
I'm granting the postponement on the basis of the 2 charges. The state, the accused needs to have a fair trial to know what the charges is facing and to be able to answer to those charges.
Icala lihlehlele umhlaziyi 10 kuMandulo.
Abokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho bayaqhubeka nokutheleka esikhungweni esicubungula imininingwane yabo kufika eMusina eLimpopo kanti ke namabhasi azobathutha vele endaweni ezahlukene ezweni seloke efike kulesi sikhungo ekseni.
Umphathi wehhovisi lomnyango wezasekhaya eLimpopo uthi zenyukile izibalo zabantu abathutheleke esikhungweni saseMusina ekseni namhlanje kanti iningi lalabantu bokufika abakuleli ngokungemthetho baphuma KwaZulu-Natal.
Today, when we came back this morning, there was another fluctuation, Katlego. And this time it's not a decrease, it's an increase. If you look around, you can now see that the numbers have increased from the estimate that we were making of yesterday of plus minus 2,000. If you count the heads here, they are now moving towards 3. Our numbers are now moving between 3 to 4,000.
Uphinde achaza ukuthi lesikhungo sizoqhubeka nokwamkela abanye kuze kube kuyaphothula ukucutshungulwa kwemininingwane yabo.
We are managing to make sure that by or before end of business, everybody is processed and all the people have been loaded. We no longer have people that are found spilling over, except those that will come in the evening.
Njengoba luqhubeka uhlelo kuphinde kwahlaluka ukuthi iningi labafuna ukugoduswa babuyele emazweni abo bangabokudabuka eMalawi naseZimbabwe.
Karoma sibheka kwezemidlalo bengumqeqeshi wabafana Hugo Bruce sezibeke phansi izintambo njengomqeqeshi weqembu lesizwe ngemva kweminyaka emihlanu ecija iqembu. Hugo Bruce wathatha-ke izintambo ukubafana ngonyaka u-2021 kanti uholeke ibafana ngempumelelo-ke ngesikhathi ihlungela ukudlalela noma-ke ukudlala kumqhudelano we-AFCON e-Ivory Coast ngo-2023 lapho-ke ibafana yazuza khona indondo yethusi kanti kuqopha umlando ehlungela-ke iqembu lesizwe kumqhudelano wendebe yomhlaba-ke iqhubeka eMelika naseCanada kanye naseMexico kanti-ke uHugo Bruce uzwakalise ukuthi ngeke saqhubeka njengomqeqeshi weqembu kodwa-ke engasibhekisisa esinye isikhala umazivela. mbukeli usale kahle.